Welcome viewers to Monster Truck Classics unboxing and run video. From New Bright RC comes the RC Grave Digger, the awesome backflip experience. They call it a stadium experience. It has a huge backflip ramp, as you can see right there on the front of the box. They show it. Awesome backflip experience. Monster Jam 25th anniversary 1992 to 2017. Since Toys R Us was going out of business, I finally picked one up. I should have got it when it was on sale earlier because I would have saved a whole lot more money than just 10%. But let's go ahead and take you around to the sides of the box. Full function radio controlled vehicle with backflip ramp. Let's see what we get here on the back. We have a 24 gigahertz technology, longer range, faster response, internal antenna, race up to 6 vehicles at once. Good dual stick control, pivot steering, stunt action. Inflate tires, provide more bounce for realistic jump stunts and backflips. There's Gravedigger, let's say a full function. That's nice to see. 4x4, all-wheel drive, inflatable tires. That's going to be interesting to check out on a toy grade. There's an air pump, all batteries included. There you go. You can go to monsterjam.com. And then the other side. So let's go ahead and unbox this. There we go. So now you can see me. We got an owner's manual. What else? I have to look through this. I know some of this stuff will be the same. Okay, removing vehicle from ramp. I'll have to look at that. It looks like stuff is underneath. So I'll just set that aside. Here's a little pump, air tire pump, to give you 2 AA batteries for the remote. Wireless remote, that's pretty cool. The wires. Here's now the 9.6 volt lithium ion charger that they give you with these trucks. And also the battery that goes inside the truck. Have to get underneath. So we got 2 twisty ties and 2 other little things here to take off. I already cut this one. Alright, there we have the ramp. I'll bring this in closer so you can see the ramp And we have, it says Stadium Experience. Also has a Monster Jam 25th Anniversary logo. And then on both sides you can see the dirt tire marks from the monster truck. I guess this is just all plastic. Some decals right here. And also the other side. Here is the Grave Digger. With the air tires. I'll have to find out where to put the air in. It looks like there's one little spot there. It goes in there. And then the other one on that side. Right there. So here's a look at the Grave Digger. Sponsors. To the back, Grave Digger. Up on top, we have Grave Digger. 4-time Monster Jam Road Finals champion. Bad to the bone. Sorry for the glare. Doing my best I can. And to the other side. It's time to take out this toy Grave Digger radio controlled truck with the Stadium Experience backflip ramp and see how it works. One of the things I want to mention is Grave Digger is pretty fast when it's going forward or even in reverse, so it does have some power and acceleration to it. You have just watched me drive Grave Digger, and I tell you what, it is a lot of fun, but one of the difficult parts for me to get used to, and still is a little bit, is how to drive it, because it doesn't drive in the front to go left and right on the remote. You have to do it a little bit different. It drives like a tank, so look in your manual and it will show you how to do that properly.